Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements. Please give your attention to our student body president, Jake.
Good morning, Carpenter Cougars. Jake, with the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart.
We get your flag. There
And
it is. Uh-oh.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Very good. Thank you, Jake.
And now,
Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, everybody's having a great morning so far. Welcome. Happy Wednesday. Today is April 15th, 2020, the middle of April. It's amazing to think that we have been out of school now for over a month. Remember, our last day of school together was Friday the 13th, March 13th. And today we're here on Wednesday, April 15th. So an entire month has gone by. It definitely seems like it's been longer than 4 weeks. I'm not sure how it's going for you, but definitely seems like it's been almost 4 months instead of just 4 weeks. But the weather has changed. Hopefully you guys are getting outside. And today's supposed to be 80 degrees in Studio City. Jake, are you getting outside and having any fresh air time playing around with your brother? What do you guys do at the house?
yeah, so he just got his boot off because he rolled his ankle, and now we're playing basketball every day now.
Okay. All right. Very good. So you need to make sure that you're working in some time outside and playing. And if that means that the family's going for a walk with the dog, or if you get a chance to ride your bike around the block or whatever, or throw a football in the backyard, make sure you're doing it because it's going to be beautiful today for sure. It's going to be a great day for that. Yesterday afternoon, every Tuesday, just like when we were in school, boys and girls, I'm meeting with all the teachers. I met with 4 grade levels. Mr. Gordon met with 2 grade levels yesterday. It's a little tricky on the Zoom to have so many people on one call. But I met yesterday with 4 of the grade levels, and everybody sends their regards and sends their love. And it's so wonderful to see the whole staff together and have a chance to connect with them and talk about how things are going and work out some of the challenges that everybody's experiencing. So on behalf of the staff, they say, keep up the good work, Cougars. Your teachers are proud of you, and they look forward to seeing you when they connect with you in their classroom. Let's talk a minute about making the bed, because I've been talking about that for the last couple of weeks. You should have a regular routine when you wake up, whether that is a little bit of exercise or whether that's you have a bowl of cereal. But somewhere in there in the beginning stages of your morning, you should work in making your bed. Jake, tell us, what's your routine for making your bed at home every day?
Well, I have 2 blankets. I have like a thin one and then a thicker one. So I try to make the thin one straight I try to make both of them straight, because if the top one's not really straight, then like the thin one will be all messed up, so it'll all be messed up.
Oh, okay. And when do you do that? Do you do that right when you wake up, or
yeah, just right when I wake up?
Yeah. And listen, I recommend that too. As soon as you wake up, boys and girls, if you can accomplish making your bed, then everything else seems to be a lot easier. So just when you get up, make that bed. Now, I've pulled off, I've got an expert bed maker, and I've got a video. She can make her bed in 15 seconds. And she uses a technique called the fold. And if you don't have a lot of pillows on top of your bed, you can use the fold also. Let me pull up that video, Jake. Here we go. Let's see if everybody can see that. Can you see that, Jake?
Yep, I see it.
Okay. So boys and girls, this technique is called the fold. You're going to see an expert. This is from a video called Accidental Adult. This is a young lady that's going to show you in 15 seconds an easy way to make your bed in the morning. Let's watch this together and check this out, Jake. She had a disaster there. Look, she's pulling those blankets over the top. One easy fold on the top. She comes to the other side there. Look at that. And she did it 15 seconds. So it looks good, especially with bed sheets that have different patterns on each side. But you can see if you've got a simple pillow, all she did was leave that. It's kind of decorative on the top. She just pulled everything nice and straight, did a simple fold over there, and boom, looks almost like a hotel room. What do you think, Jake?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Because, yeah, you're right. It does look like a hotel room. They usually have it like that in the hotel.
So if you have a lot of pillows on top of your bed, boys and girls, or you have a lot of stuffed animals, obviously that might be a little bit tricky. But if you don't, if you have one simple pillow, do the fold. That's our suggestion today. I guarantee you, if you can do the fold when you wake up in the morning, before you have breakfast, your family will be so appreciative of you making sure that your room is tidy and in order, and you're actually ready to start your day after that. So that's pretty cool. Any other thoughts on that, Jake?
No, I think we
Okay.
covered it.
All right, very good. So we're going to have a special guest. We've been talking about it all week. And actually, I do have a picture. This was the last time my mom was actually on campus. Here she is. Can you see that, Jake?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's my mom, Linda. She was on campus a few years ago for one of the movie nights, actually. So that was taken at movie night. So my mom, Linda, is going to join us. If kids have suggestions for questions, what do they do, Jake?
Remember to put them in the comment box on the website so Bentley can read them out on Friday.
That's right. So remember, our Vice President Bentley is going to be here on Friday. He is going to poll Thursday afternoon. So by Thursday afternoon, if you have a question that you want to submit, know that Bentley's going to poll those. He'll make the suggestions on which ones he'll ask on Friday. I'm really excited about that. My mom can't wait to come on and talk to everybody and be part of the morning announcement. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And now it's time for the words of wisdom. You ready, Jake?
Yep.
Some people build houses, boys and girls. Some people build computers, or they even build cars. Others build strong bodies by exercising their muscles. But what about building character? Are you building character by being kind and honest each day? The Irish say,
a fair character is a fair fortune.
Yeah. In other words, if you are a person of character, you are a truly rich person. Why? Because what makes a person rich is not how much money she has, not how much toys that they have at their house, but how much character that person has.
Today, think about this. If you want to build a truly rich life, start now by building those character muscles.
With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez and
Jake.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours.
Is yours.
That's right. Have a great day, Jake. Everybody at home, have a wonderful day. Get your workstation set up, log into your classroom, and as always, just do the best that you can. That's all that your teachers are asking. That's all that I'm asking. That's all that your parents are asking. We believe in you, and we'll see you tomorrow for the morning announcements. Olivia is going to be joining us, our secretary, on Thursdays, so she'll be with us tomorrow. Jake, have a great day, buddy.
Me too.
All right, Jake. I'll see you later, buddy.
All right, see ya.